Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing assets and choosing the fastest route. Create or use an existing Google account and confirm you control your careers page. Once done, collect the core job fields: clear job title, precise location, salary or range, employment type, and a concise responsibilities section. Then decide whether to add structured job posting markup to your site or push the vacancy through a job board or applicant tracking system that distributes to Google. Start editing the careers page, now so search can index the opening quickly. Next, implement the technical details that make Google surface your listing. Add job posting JSON LD to the specific job page and populate required properties: title, description, date posted, hiring organization, job location, employment type, and valid application instructions or a direct apply URL. Make sure salary and remote options are included when applicable because they affect discoverability. Once you add the markup, run Google's Rich Results Test or a structured data validator, correct any warnings, and publish. This step ensures Google understands and indexes the vacancy correctly. Finally, publish the page and accelerate discovery by updating your sitemap or using the indexing API where available. Monitor Google Search Console for indexing status, rich result eligibility, and job performance metrics. This tells you if the page is visible and receiving impressions. If the job doesn't appear, inspect for schema errors, check robots, TXT and Noindex tags, and ensure the job page is accessible to crawlers. Rerun the Rich Results Test after fixes and request indexing. One key troubleshooting tip: always correct structured data errors first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.